Few days before in Aasar Oni area, a road construction was taken up by corporation, which was opposed or resisted by Shankar Temple Committee and also various Hindu community organization groups and leaders. Meanwhile, there was a discussion with Corporation Commissioner also to take up necessary action. In the pretext of that, tomorrow, that is on 22nd, Hindu organizations particularly and local Bhavani Shankar Temple Committee and local Hindu community people and organizational leaders have given a call that they will protest, agitate and visit the spot and would want action to be taken by the corporation. Until the road is cleared, they are not going to withdraw their agitation. So in the pretext of that, we have collected a comprehensive intelligence inputs and good number of people are expected to participate in the protest, and also at the same time in support of road, some people who are the localites are also expected to resist the agitation which is scheduled by the organizers. So in the pretext of that, to ensure law and order doesn't get disturbed, and also because the area is communally very sensitive, we have imposed 163 BNSS. It is equivalent of 144 CRPC, which is commonly known to people as a prohibitory order, at about 500 meters in the premises of Bhavani Shankar Temple and also this Aasar road work. So about 39 entry and exit points have been identified and barricades will be put up and staff will be deployed. And in this prohibited area, between morning 6 a.m. to evening 10 p.m. So no agitation, protest, gathering of people, carrying of any kind of agitational activity or protest, sloganeering and mobilization of people either in support or opposing the road work is prohibited. I appeal to the organizers of this protest to look into the guidelines issued under 163 BNSS and strictly adhere to the directions given in the order, and at the same time to ensure that no untoward incident take place. Elaborate bandobast is done with myself and also 3 of my DCPs, about 10 ACPs, 30 inspectors, about 50 sub-inspectors and officer staff, striking force of KSRP and CR party. Together about 1500 people have been deployed to ensure that no untoward incident take place. I appeal both the supporters of the agitation and also those who are planning to resist the agitation to respect the guidelines issued under 163, and the issue is more to do with corporation, and we have intervened considering the sensitivity of the issue and also sensitivity of the locality where Hindu and Muslim population are present in very high number and it is a high density population area. So to prevent any kind of untoward incident from happening, this prohibitory order is imposed and it will be in place from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. tomorrow, that is on 22nd of August.
Are you people going to arrest any of the organizers to prevent any incident?
See, whatever is necessary will be done, because moment this 500 meters area is demarcated, nobody is supposed to enter this area in the form of any group or even individuals for agitating or protesting of any kinds. So if somebody prefers to breach this and try to mobilize, we will surely take whatever is provided in the legal provisions of the prohibitory order.